Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Our topic for today is about circles. But before we proceed, I would like to tell you something about Sheikh Zayed. You know very well that he is my idol since before. I am telling you that. And I have read a lot of things about him. I would like to share something about him to you so that you will be inspired also. According to Sheikh Zayed, honesty, devotion, and truthfulness are the basic thrust of leadership. He made a lot of opportunities available to all people, even if you are from here or from other country, by building the infrastructure of the UAE. He presented and gave the best level of living standard here. And there is one thing that can be said for Sheikh Zayed. It is his innate and distinctive characteristic to do great things. Do you know that Sheikh Zayed was the one who renovated the Western technological society into a means which is a combination of Islam with modern technology? It is the foundation of Sheikh Zayed that UAE gained so much attraction from all over the world. He is eminently known as one of the world's most open-minded, amicable, with great visions, and a kind-hearted leader. It is Sheikh Zayed who prepared the UAE. That is why it is what it is today. A happy land full of opportunities. According to his many visions, the most important one was the unification of the 7 Emirates into a single federation and transforming it into a modern nation. You see guys, you are always studying honesty, devotion, and truthfulness. You see, according to Sheikh Zayed, it is one of the best and basic thrust of leadership. Now you know it. That is why you are studying honesty. The objective of our lesson is to identify the parts of the circle. A circle is a set of points in a plane that have the same distance from a point called center. A circumference is the distance around the circle. I colored that blue so that you can identify the measurement of the circumference. A diameter is the longest chord and the distance from the edge of the circle that passes through the center. I colored that chord green. The radius is the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. I colored that purple. It is from the edge up to the center. The chord which I colored brown is the line segment with both ends on the edge of the circle. Let us use the figure to identify the following. On number 1, the blank of the circle is point P. Point P is the center of the circle. On number 2, the blank is the line segment with its end point on the circle. There are 2 chords, the diameter and MA. What do you call that line segment? It is the chord. I colored that blue so that you can identify it. On number 3, the blank is a line segment from the center to the edge of the circle. It is the radius. It is colored green. So that is a line segment from the center to the edge of the circle. On number 4, the blank is the chord that passes through the center of the circle. What is that? It is the diameter. It is the chord that passes through the center of the circle. So line segment MH, which is colored black, is the diameter. Let us solve this example. Identify the radius. If it is more than 1, you call it radii. Diameter, chords, and center. You can see from the figure that line segment BA, VA, and OA are line segment which are called radii. Line segment BO is called the diameter. It is the red one because it is a line segment that passes through the center up to the edge of the circle. The chord is the line segment BR, which I colored green, and line segment BO, which is the diameter. It is also called a chord. And the center of the circle is point A. I mark it color blue. The diameter of the circle is twice the radius r, and the radius r of the circle is half of its diameter. You can see that D is equal to 2r, and r is equal to D over 2. That is the formula. Let us work on this example. The diameter of a circle is 12 cm. Find the radius. We know that the radius is half of the diameter. So the formula is R is equal to D over 2. Substituting the given value of the diameter, 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. The radius is 6 cm. What if the unknown is the diameter and the radius of the circle is given, which is 32 meters? To find the diameter, the formula is D is equal to 2r. Substituting the value of the radius in the given formula, D is equal to 2 times 32. It will give us 64 meters. The diameter is 64 meters, which is twice the radius. To wrap it up, remember, a circle is a set of points in a plane that have the same distance from a point called center. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle. The diameter is the longest chord and the distance from the edge of the circle that passes through the center. The radius is the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. And the chord is the line segment with both ends on the edge of the circle. To solve for the diameter and the radius, remember, the diameter of a circle is twice the radius r. And the radius r of a circle is half of its diameter. Remember the formula, D is equal to 2r. And to find the r, it is D over 2. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Remember guys, if you find confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Revise it again, watch it slowly, carefully, step by step, and I know you will get it. Discover your undefined smartness. Score high in math. Okay guys? Good luck. God bless.